Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, help with gadgets.edc, and we've got a Vosteed Hedgehog that we're going to do a little disassembly and cleaning on today. That's the nice little tin that it comes in. Let's see if we can set it somewhere where that won't fall. All right, let's get into it. Looks like we have T8s on the body screw, and I had read, or not read, but I think I watched another review that said that was T6s, but at least on my mind it's T8. Now the clip screw is T6. There went a light. Let's fix that real quick. Alright, and let's do the pivot screw. Now also didn't see a lot of Loctite on those, but there was a little bit. Let's get a little bit of alcohol here, rubbing alcohol to dip, or not dip, but to actually submerge the different pieces in. We'll drop the pivot in there, and let's see what happens here. That should pop right off. That side did. That one did as well. Here you can see the liner lock mechanism. You push in, and it moves that detent, or the lock bar with the detent ball in it, out of the way. So, pretty interesting design. Alright, we've got a bearing here. And we'll drop that in there, and we've got another one here on the other side. Alright, let's get some alcohol swabs. Not swabs, we'll get some alcohol pads. Apparently I can't talk this evening on top of knocking down a light. And let's see if I can make sure I keep everything under the camera as well, so that you good folks can see what's going on. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you, at the end of this video, if you like it, please hit that like button, and leave a comment if you are so inclined to do so. That would greatly help me out. Alright, good deal. You can see there's plenty of this frame, or the I think it's probably steel. Yeah, the steel frame has been cut out. The balance on this knife is really good. I noticed that the balance point is very close to the pivot on this knife. If that's something that you like in a knife, then this may be for you. I haven't actually, that's not usually something I check, but my nephew was asking about it, or saying something about the knife. Something about the balance of it, and I checked it when I was showing it to him earlier this evening. This one has kind of a shiny side on the, looks like almost like a washer, but I don't think it is. Let's see. No, that's not moving at all. Alright. Just cleaning everything up real good here. Managed to break that cotton swab. Let's get the blade. Let's see if I can demonstrate how this is working when let's put the pivot in before I do that. No, I can't put the pivot in. What happens is the the blade or the detent ball is riding on this side of the knife, and as it comes around, this drops into place. The lock locks it up like that, so you can tell it's a very sturdy lock, and then when you press it, it allows this to turn. A very rudimentary explanation of how that works, but there you go. All right, that looks like it's still got some kind of grease or something on it. It's kind of odd looking right where this is, because I've cleaned it off well. So anyhow, there you go. All right, I'm losing pieces that I need. There we go. Let's go ahead and get a fresh alcohol pad out here. Go ahead and wipe off the bearings there and let them be evaporating that rubbing alcohol off of there. Let's go ahead and grab the, look at that. See, told you. It's one of those evenings apparently. All right. If you've made it this long and want to make a comment about the mess I'm making, that's fine too. That'll let me know that folks are actually watching for other than the just first few minutes of a review. All right, gonna wipe that down. Get some of the alcohol out of there. All right. Okay. We still have a mess here. That's all right. Gonna put this in, and I'm gonna put that D-shaped part of the pivot toward this end of the knife, because that's how it's gonna have to mate together there when I get it put together. Something along those lines. All right, and I'm going to take that opening and put it into the pocket there. Let's get some Gunny Glide, and I told you it's one of those nights. Everything is not going as planned. I can't locate various and sundry things that I need. Put a little dab in there since this is kind of a thick blade. And that slides right on there. And let's go ahead and put this on. A couple of more little drops of oil. Not a whole lot, just enough to lubricate those a little bit. And then I also want to put a dab there on the pivot, on the detent ball. Can't talk, dropping stuff. It's just wonderful. All right. Take and get a little bit of the Loctite stick. I like using the stick. In my opinion, a lot less mess, and it seems to work well. Alright, and then we have the body screw, and we only took one of those out. Let's tighten that down. I will check the other body screw just to make sure. And I meant to look to see how that was being held in, but I guess I'll have to take a look at that next time. Alright. No play. I'll go back out just a little bit until I do get some play. And then tighten back up just a hair until that play is gone. Oh yeah. Okay. There you go. That is the Vosteed Hedgehog, and we've had a disassembly and cleaning of it. Take a quick look at some of the features of this. This frag pattern in the micarta makes it really easy to, when you grab it to pull it out of your pocket, you get good purchase on those scales to be able to extract it from the pocket. And it was already starting to break in, but I think that cleaning and disassembly is going to help that even more. So I'll carry this for a few more days before I decide, before I do a review. But there you have it, disassembly and cleaning of the Vosteed Hedgehog. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. Hope to see you again soon. Thank y'all. Hope y'all have a wonderful day.